Hello, I'm Stuart from Elite Optical, and today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Alpha S.H.O.T tripod range from industry-leading photographic and videography manufacturers Manfrotto. With more than 50 years of experience developing tripod systems, Manfrotto are at the cutting edge of performance in both materials and design. Today we're going to take a look through their range, which includes a monopod, some aluminium options and some carbon fibre options. There's also a choice of heads. We're going to look through all the features and some of the really cool innovative designs that they've come up with. With more than 50 years of experience, Manfrotto have developed an extensive portfolio of high quality materials and components. All of the tripods are designed and manufactured in Italy, which is pretty unique these days to have a product entirely made in Europe. We're going to be exploring the range, which includes a monopod, some aluminium-based tripods, and also some premium carbon fibre options. There's also two heads that you can spec your Manfrotto Alpha S.H.O.T tripod in, a conventional Bullhead and this Pro Grip option, which is completely new and unique to our market. We're going to take a look in detail at the features of each head a little bit later in the video. We're going to start by going down the legs and having a look at the features which are common across all of the models. So, starting from the central hub, we've got the leg angle adjuster. This is a component that's been perfected over all of Manfrotto's 50 years, and it's a component that's going to be shared on their tripod systems. So it allows you to extend the leg all the way out to the horizontal, and you can hear as you bring this down, it locks in very positively. You've got a large surface area there that's locking and providing a very strong hold. As we bring that down, you can hear it click all the way until it's standard upright position. Next, we'll take a look at the legs. So this is the Pro aluminium option. This has a 30mm diameter aluminium tube. They also offer this in a standard option, which has a 26mm. That has a couple of other differences in the spec. The standard option is slightly lower, but it has a longer center tube. This has been spec'd up as the Pro. It's a stronger leg, more rigid, and if you're going to shoot, especially in a low down position, so get these legs right out, this thicker aluminium and thicker tube is stronger. It's going to flex less. It means that you can shoot lower to the ground. So if you want to do that with your tripod, I'd absolutely recommend look at the Pro or look at our carbon option. The carbon fibre legs are manufactured using the pull winding technique. This gives a really strong, lightweight product, and it's only really made in Europe. So that is something, again, that's unique in the Manfrotto range, and it gives a really high performance product while keeping the weight down. Each leg is fitted with two adjustment points. They snap open really positively, allow for a smooth adjustment, and when you snap them shut, they're locked absolutely tight. The end of each leg is fitted with a rubber pad. It's great to use at the range or indoors. If you're shooting outside and you want the ultimate in grip and stability, they're also supplied with these sharp spikes, which have a wind out rubber cover. So again, another flexible option that's supplied in the box with each tripod. We're now going to switch our focus and take a look at the heads that you can order with your Manfrotto Alpha S.H.O.T tripod. There are two options, a conventional Bullhead and this new style of grip system, which allows for a very quick dynamic change in the shooting position. Both options are supplied with this saddle grip, which gives a secure platform to clamp your rifle to. They're also supplied with a plate which allows you to add a spotting scope or any accessory with a standard tripod mount adapter. So the major innovation that Manfrotto have introduced with this new product range is the grip adjustment system. It's the first time we've seen anything like it on a tripod, and it's really well suited to certain styles of shooting. You can see on this side there's a grip. If we pull this in, it releases the clamp and allows you to move the head freely. On this side you've also got a friction adjustment, so this dial here will change the drag on the ball. So if we turn that right up, we grip this in, it moves very slowly. If we release the tension on that, it allows a much freer movement in the Bullhead. This is going to be great if you're foxing. You can get that quick adjustment. You just simply let go, the tripod locks, and you've got a steady platform to shoot from. Grip it in, you can move freely. It's also helping you to track and follow a moving target more easily. The limitation with this technology is the force it locks with. So this head only has an 8 kilo locking capacity. which is fine with a demo stock, but if you've got a full weight rifle on there, it wouldn't hold it in an angle like this. But what it does really well, it allows you to move fluidly, lock that, and when the rifle is in your shoulder, you're getting a very steady shot. So if you're shooting competitions or if you're out hunting, this innovation is really going to change the game in terms of tripod use. The other point of adjustment on this tripod is the center column. We release it on this turn. It's easy to move that up and down. Being the Pro, this has the shorter center column, slightly longer legs, so you can still achieve the same using height when you're stood. It's just designed to also allow you to get lower, compact if you're shooting prone. You can spread those legs out and get this nice and close to the floor. And on the bottom here, we've got our hook. You can hang your weights on there. It's going to make this super stable, really usable in all kinds of weather. So now we're going to take a look at the Alpha S.H.O.T Bullhead Carbon. And as you can see up at the top, we've got a conventional Bullhead clamp system with our lovely carbon fibre legs fitted underneath. So coming down, we've got loads of control over the angle and position and also how the tripod adjusts. So let's take a look through those in detail. This is the main lock for the bull. This is capable of holding up to 15 kilos of weight. So this is the system that you can put your rifle onto, and if you want to be able to lock it and leave it in any angle, this will absolutely do that for you. So that's the main control. So a quick twist on that and it locks it, it's absolutely solid. Next to that, we've got the drag adjustment. So we looked at that with the grip system. You're able to adjust how freely the ball moves. So the position that the lock's in makes no difference here. I mean, obviously you can lock it completely closed, but you can leave that open, completely open. And as we adjust this drag and friction, we can put friction on. You can see how much more smoothly that's moving now compared to when it's completely released. We do that in a simple turn. The tripod's completely lock solid. It's going to hold your gun there forever. On the back, this releases and allows it to spin on that center axis. Again, you can just lock that off in an instant. And as with the other, we've also got the height adjustment on that center post. That's really easy to use. So overall, you can control the height, position, and also the speed and the friction on the ball. So that gives you supreme control over your angle, especially if you're looking to shoot, again, if you're foxing, you can adjust that drag and really feel how much movement, how smooth you want the rifle to be able to track across, get behind it, and shoot. So that was our detailed look at what goes into a Manfrotto Alpha S.H.O.T tripod. We're now just going to take you through the range and show you what each model has compared to the other models in the range. Starting off with the carbon option. So this is the lightweight, super strong leg. It's got the Pro chassis here in the center. You can choose that with the Bullhead, which is the Bullhead carbon model, or you can spec it with the grip, which is the grip carbon model. So moving on to the aluminium models, we only offer these with the grip heads. So it's either the grip Pro or the grip. The difference is the diameter of the leg. So the Pro model uses a 30mm, slightly stronger, more rigid leg, which allows you again to achieve that super low shooting position. That's why the center tube is shorter. Also on this model, the standard aluminium, you've got a 26mm leg, so slightly more lightweight construction. That's also reflected here in the center section. So the leg locking mechanism on this is an inch wide. It's nearly 2.5 centimeters wide. On this, I'd say it's probably 2/3 the size. So again, there's a smaller locking area. The leg and this whole locking assembly is going to be slightly less rigid, but that's also reflected in the price. But they're still both excellent, very robust options, and utilising this grip head, which is going to get you shooting in dynamic situations really easily. And finally, to complete the range, Manfrotto have also developed the Monopod V. This is a really lightweight, single leg shooting solution. It's got the yoke fitted at the top. It's really lightweight, easy to adjust. You've got the same locking system used in the legs of the tripod. There's 2 points and allows for a comfortable shooting position. I'm 6 foot tall. I can shoot comfortably off of this without using all of the travel. So no matter how tall you are, this is going to provide you a lightweight, stable way of getting your shot away. So that was our introduction to the amazing Alpha S.H.O.T range of tripods and shooting solutions from industry leaders Manfrotto. I hope the video was useful. Please make sure that you follow us for the latest videos from Elite Optical. Thanks a lot for watching.